Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make seafood laksa soup. First, gather all your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of prawns, some fish cakes, and a package of rice vermicelli. Next, prepare your laksa paste by blending aromatics like 4 shallots, 3 cloves of garlic, and 2 red chilies. Finally, chop your fresh vegetables, such as 1 cup of bean sprouts and a 1/4 cup of cilantro, for a vibrant garnish. Now, let's create that rich, aromatic broth. Begin by sautéing your homemade laksa paste in a large pot for about 3 minutes until it releases its wonderful fragrance. Then, pour in 4 cups of creamy coconut milk and 2 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. Stir everything together gently. Allow this delicious mixture to simmer for approximately 15 minutes, letting all those incredible flavors meld beautifully into a harmonious base for your laksa. With your broth simmering, it's time to prepare the main components. First, cook your rice vermicelli noodles according to the package instructions. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes until they are perfectly tender. Next, carefully add your chosen seafood, perhaps 8 ounces of succulent prawns and 4 ounces of tender squid, directly into the simmering broth. Cook the seafood for just 2 to 3 minutes until it turns opaque and firm, ensuring it remains tender and not overcooked. Finally, it's time to bring your masterpiece to the table. Ladle generous portions of the hot laksa broth, along with the delicious seafood and tender noodles, into individual serving bowls. Don't forget to garnish generously with a handful of fresh bean sprouts, a sprinkle of fragrant cilantro, and a bright lime wedge for a zesty finish. Serve your easy seafood laksa immediately, allowing everyone to savor its incredible warmth and complex flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.